guess what? We're talking about blogging today. How's that for a segue?
There you go. So yeah, blogging. Carol, this was sort of your idea for a topic. Do you want to get us started?
Yeah, sure. So I had mentioned last week I've been wanting to start a blog, and it's not because I feel like I have information that people care about. I really want to stop solving my problems over and over again. And I feel like if I would just take the time to write it down, put it out there, it might help someone. Nobody may ever look at it, but when I need that in a year, I can just go pull it and be like, oh, yeah, that's where it was. But I have no idea where to start. Couldn't even begin to start because I was looking online. I'm like, there's just so much information out there. Where do you begin? Where do you go? What do you do? Like, is there hosting you should look at? Do you just go buy a domain, host it yourself? Where do you store this? Like all of those things. Like as a software engineer, I should know all of this. Pretty solid. But I just don't know where to begin. And I think that's what's holding me back is not knowing what's my first step other than saying I'm going to blog.
I think you just don't have that stereotypical story arc for your career, right? You kind of came into software engineering through the side door in the college time.
Yeah, absolutely.
Where a lot of people kind of were the nerdy kid their whole lives. And that was just sort of the natural progression, right? So
I guess I missed out some. You guys fill me in.
Well, you had a real life for a while, so.
Yeah, I did. I had that too.
Before we get into anything technical, I just want to underscore that you do have information and people will find it valuable. I think we had discussed in the Clean Coders Uncle Bob episode, I think I had mentioned that Uncle Bob does some sort of back of the napkin math that says that the number of developers doubles every 5 years. So if you consider how long you've been doing web development, and you consider that most of the people that you interact with probably have only been doing it for maybe like 2 or 3 years, like you have a lot of information, a wealth of experience that definitely people want to know about. And to your earlier point, like you don't want to be solving the same problems over and over again. That information is great for you as well. But I think that's one of the biggest just emotional hurdles that people have. Is anyone going to find this interesting? And the answer is yes. Yeah.